All right, welcome back. UBTW Unbox That Wheel. This time we got some big wheels for a big truck. These are the JTX D202s. We're doing 6 wheels because you already know, baby, it's a dually. We're doing 26s, and let's open them up and let the wheels do the talking. So this is the JTX Forged D202 dually wheel. You can see this one here is the rear wheel with that CNC XL cap. This thing is in a full polish finish. Let's do some unwrapping and see the luster in this wheel. All right, guys, so you see this. You can use this as a paella bowl. You know, you just do a little flippity whippity and make that nice dinner dish, baby. So you guys see it, it's the JTX Forged, full polished D202 directional, true forged 6061, made in USA, baby. If you guys want JTX Forged, we got the JTX Forged. We are the JTX Forged plug in Canada. Give us a shout and we'll get you guys and your trucks rolling, baby.